In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off sticky keys on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to select where it says accessibility. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath interaction and select keyboard. And then sticky keys near the top, you can just toggle this to the off position by clicking inside the oval one time until it says it's off. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.